So I'm just going to do a quick autopsy, I suppose, on these two Zander that I caught out of the Grand Union Canal. This smaller one was in distress on the surface, so I think it picked up some sort of disease. It's got some sort of like discoloration along the back tail there, and then some sort of thing there. So I put that one out of its misery, caught that with a landing net. I thought I'd put that in the freezer and have a look, see what's inside its stomach really. And this bigger one I caught on a bit of bread, again out of the Grand Union Canal. Almost looks like a small mackerel really. So I was like, well, it'd be interesting to have a look, see what's inside its stomach, if there's anything of significance. Work out what's going on with all the small fish in the canal, where they're all going. But I mean, it's still got a good set of teeth on it, good set of jaws on there. You ain't getting out of there, are you, if you're a little fish? And say this smaller one, I doubt it'll have the same. I can get in there, and that's what, ounce, 2 ounce fish, and this one's 3-4. So I'm no surgeon, so I'm just going to try my best with a Stanley knife and open these up. I'm just going to. So they're both caught out the Grand Union Canal. It's going to be very successful going out of there. Something go pop then. It'd be interesting to see if there was any small fry. In them. Probably won't win any points for gutting a fish. To say, have a look to see if you could see any sort of like small fry or anything in there, but see what they're feeding on. Give you any signs to say what certain fish they just go for absolutely anything. I say this one was caught on a piece of bread. That. But I wouldn't have said there's nothing inside. That is I dare say that's its stomach. There's something in there. What's that inside? What's that? Looks like a tiny fish, doesn't it? I can't really make out what fish that is, but it definitely is a fish. You could just about work out. It's just I think there's some sort of eye there. That's a bit insignificant, that, isn't it? Really. I'll be amazed if there's anything in this one. I'll say just a short video really, just to there's a lot of Zander in the canal system there, and I say they go through an electrofish quite regularly, but these smaller ones probably get away with not being caught. So that's a little fry. You can just about make out an eye, I think, somewhere here. That was the only thing that was in that bigger one. Pretty well digested, but nothing else. So it's probably about a 4 or 5 ounce fish. They're quite spine and the dorsal fins. You're not getting out of there, are you? Look at that. That's a nice shot, that is. Even that little one, he's got a set of gnashes on him as well. Just want to open him up, look. That was the bruising on there. You just see that come through on the inside. As though whether or not anything tried to attack it. It was just in distress on the surface. But there's that other one. You've got these guts on there. But again,